Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came here with another reaction. Woo! And today, guys, we're here with Alkaline, the Vendetta boss, with Mad Love. The Medicals movement. Leave that. Next one, that. Leave that. That was before 2016. That was before that. The Medicals movement. Anyway, let's jump in on and hear what the G say. Mad Love, let's go. Yeah, nice. She's beautiful. She's beautiful.
Let me shine up. No, baby, don't you break my heart. Don't you know that I will always carry, always there. Your love, love.
Hold on. Is Alkaline dropping a thing that album or some sort soon? Cause we get some more freaking tracks from Alkaline now, and that video is a different side of Alkaline. It must show you the versatility. We know it. The versatility. Alkaline have it. We know that. So if you see the boss sing, this is not the first song we hear him sing pan one of them rhythm. Cause we hear him sing pan dancehall sings rhythm. Check out that. Every artist do they pan it, a dancehall artist, but them a sing. Bad rhythm, dancehall sing. So we hear him pan that already. We know him can do it. So let's go again.
Let me shine up. No, baby, don't you break my heart. Don't you know that I will always carry, always there. Your love, love. I'm talking my love. Oh no, baby, don't you break my heart. No, don't you know that I will always carry, always there. Your love, we keep
show money pan girl, cause girl we get money zine. And that we are talk about your zine. Then boy not, hey boy, if you not kill the girl them no money, the girl them not go kill no pussy. At that Alkaline and tell the G them fi say, but what about you them not no money like myself? Hey boy, go work and find money, man, girl. That the man, yo.
Oh no, baby, don't you break my heart. No, don't you know that I will always carry, always there. Your love, we keep fighting, can't let go. I'm getting more exciting. All on your body can simply be try alone. Mrs. Right with the lips, I'm a man with the kiss. My touch on lip, no, yeah. No one down with this. A lot of time I was spent to get out. Better when the real one is up, guys in the hole. Dream love.
So basically, right, that video, he must show you, so he must have somebody where I love and appreciate. You see me? It doesn't necessarily mean it's this girl in the video, but he must show you, so he must have somebody where he can love and appreciate. See me? You see me?
I think I'm to show me why you appreciate the do you do and me. Just a pray for all I wish come true. Things got me confused and it feel like one of the feelings with you, girl. I'm life in court, I mean, never run by me.
Yo, the boss feel I wonder a while ago now.
Wish come true, things got me confused and it feel like one of the feelings with you, girl. I'm life in court, I mean, never run by me. Universe, world, planet. Yeah, we are breathing up, girl. Appeal to me, appeal to you. I should not let it go, me not let it go. Want to feel like ring, girl, up the phone. More feel if you up, like you down. Warm, comfortable, me feel me down.
So be a good things him talk about that girl. Obviously, him comfortable around that girl. I'm comfortable being himself around that girl. Him comfortable letting down him guard somewhat around that girl. You see me? Yeah. So he must say, yo, every time I call you, I must say, I have to put you down, you know, I have to uplift you. You see me? So you don't know, say the boss have a special place when I'm out with that one, yeah.
Ring, girl, up the phone. More feel if you up, like you down.
Nope.
Warm, comfortable, me feel me down.
Warm comfort, dog.
Get to the round. People me no want genuine, no see clown. Come inside is alright, yeah, they oh no, baby, if I give you my heart, don't you know that I will always carry, always there, your love, love. I'm talking my love. No, baby.
Clot. So you see the boss a carry out him woman and on a party ma carry out cause she on a sound box. You see me? Get that? Him not carry on a party cause she on a sound box. She worth more than that to him. The boss out with him friends and him girl. So him girl get on with him friends them, which make it easier. You know, so I'm breaching them good with my woman. But not too good enough cause I know my woman. That's a different story. Let's go.
Always there, loving, loving, love.
Put up this man. It's bad. You have to appreciate good song when you hear good song, bro. You have to appreciate good song when you hear good song. No joke. Pick up the Vendetta boss. The Vendetta fans, them. I'm proud of that one, man. Yes, man. Let's go.
Let me shut up. No, baby, don't you break my nah, don't you know that I will always carry, always carry your love, in love, in love, in love. I'm talking my love. Oh, no, baby, don't you break my nah, no, don't you know that I will always carry your love, loving and you. We keep fighting, can't let go, I'm getting more exciting. All on your body, can simply me try to alone. Mrs. Right with the lips, I'm a man with the kiss. Me take one look, no, yeah, no one down with this. A lot of time I was spent to get out, yeah. Better when the real one leave, I put guys in the hotel. Dream love.
Bad. Yeah.
I think up ways to show me why you appreciate the do you do I mean. Just a pray for all I wish come true. Things got me confused and it feel like one need a feeling with you, girl. I'm life in port, I mean it never run planet. Universe, world planet. Yeah, we are breathing up. Girl, I feel to me, I feel to you. I should not let it go, me not let it go. Want to feel like ring, girl, up the phone. More feel if you up, yeah, can you down. Warm comfortable, when me feel me down. So get to the road. They put me no one genuine, no see clown. Come inside is alright, yeah, they oh no, baby, if I give you my eye, don't you know that I will always carry, always there, you love you, love. I'm talking my love. No, baby, don't you break my eye, don't you know that I will always care, always there, love you, love. You know I'll always be there.
Credit to the production team. Credit to the production team. Credit to the artist Alkaline. We know the caliber of artist Alkaline is. We know that Alkaline is not a normal artist. The music video, well put together. Clean like Jesus police record. Music video clean like a dumb spitting book in a high school. Yeah. Music video clean. We got the production team. I have to go on a credit dog. I'm soon. You know what I do it, bro? Yeah. You see me? Atobam records. Big up on yourself. Me see you in the credits. You see me? Like me say, Alkaline is dropping songs more consistently now. In the last reaction to Alkaline, I said I wish we get more videos. We get a video now, and the video never disappoint. The video bad. Yeah. The video, the concept, well put together. Like, the words I must sing match back with the video, which we like. We like them something there, you see me? Big up the female in the video. Very beautiful lady. Very beautiful empress, you see me? Yeah. Man himself. Big up yourself, G. Big up yourself. Yeah, do it, bro. I have been doing it for years, you see me? So, go and do it, my G. Anyway, if you enjoy the reaction, honest reaction, I want to see more from you, G. Leave a like on the video, man. Subscribe around there if you're new, man. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Yeah.